Hi! In front of me is Poco X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. And if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear between clipboard and three dots. Sorry, misclick. Then tap on voice typing and click on this gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. As you can see, microphone icon is over here. To start typing, click on it. If you never used this option before, click on while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!